The Creality K2 Plus 3D printer offers impressive multicolor printing capabilities, allowing users to connect up to 4 CFS units to achieve stunning prints in up to 16 colors. With an industrial-grade speed of 600 millimeters per second and a powerful acceleration of 30,000 millimeters per second squared, this printer outpaces standard large printers significantly. The dual AI camera system provides real-time monitoring and alerts for any printing errors, ensuring a seamless printing experience. The K2 Plus supports a wide range of materials thanks to its high-temperature nozzle and active heating chamber, allowing for versatility in printing with various filaments. Ingenious features like the anti-tilt auto-leveling system and dual independent motorized Z-axes ensure a smooth and accurate first layer without manual intervention. The robust structure of the printer, with its dual linear Z-axis rods and built-in filament exhaustion sensor, guarantees professional-grade stability and uninterrupted printing even for prolonged periods.